Hi, today we are going to see how to create a folder in Google Docs. First, open your Google Docs file. Then you will find a folder icon beside your file name. Here it is. Click on this icon. Now, you will find a plus icon within a folder called New Folder. You can create a new folder by clicking on this. Click on this and rename your folder. I'm just giving test folder. After typing your folder name, click on this icon. It will create your folder. Now if you want to move your file to this folder that you created, click on Move Here. Your folder was created and the file was transferred to your created folder. If you want to see your folder, then click on the My Drive option here and you will find your folder here. See, here is the file that I transferred to this folder. This is how you can create folder in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please give likes and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.